My name is Pimsiri Sirikhuang. I'm from Thailand. I discovered PIF Capital from social media on Instagram. When people think that they are already at the peak, they're actually, the higher mountain to climb. I want to IPO my company. Knowledge that I learned from PIF has tremendous wake-up call to me. There's a lot that I need to implement in my business. The future for my business is going to be multi-million-dollar business. The corporate structures are going to play a big part. That's the thing that PIF Capital will come into the play to help me build this corporation. You have to become a stronger and bigger leader. PIF Capital can really help you to shape entrepreneurial spirit, to become capital entrepreneur, to bring your corporation to the next level, like IPO.
If you're interested to raise capital without borrowing, increase profit through business transformation, recruit management talent like MNC and become an A+ entrepreneur, click the link in the description and register for our upcoming Power of Capital event.